Hello viewers, welcome to your Innovate Teaching Channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss a concept, Educational Philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. In the past month, I have uploaded Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 videos of Educational Philosophy of John Dewey. The video links of these 3 videos are present in the description box as well as comment box. You all friends, please click on those links, watch those videos. The content in all those videos is mostly same, but we have many important MCQs, multiple choice questions at the end of all those videos. I have provided you all the questions with timer and the answers. You can have some fun as well as knowledge. Please go through them, friends. In this part 1 video, we are going to discuss all these concepts in detail. Let's start. First, introduction to Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was not just a political leader, he was also a great educational thinker. Gandhiji introduced basic education through Varda scheme in 1937. Education should develop body, mind and soul. It should be holistic development. Gandhiji's famous idea is, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man. It's all about education. Second, meaning of Nai Talim, basic education. Nai Talim means new education. Education through productive work, which is craft-centered. And according to him, learning should be linked with real life and village economy. Third, aims of education of Mahatma Gandhi. Self-reliance, which is said as Swabhavalamban. Second, characteristic formation through moral values. Third, dignity of labor. Fourth, holistic development through physical, mental, spiritual, as I said you earlier, through mind, body and soul. Fifth one, social responsibility, the major aspect of education. Fourth, craft-centered education. This is the core idea of Mahatma Gandhi philosophy. As I said, this is the heart of Gandhi's philosophy. The education should be through a craft like spinning, weaving, agriculture, carpentry, and this should become the medium of teaching of all subjects. Students learn while doing useful work. Few other examples include learning mathematics through measuring cloth, learning science through action, learning language through writing about work. Education means practical and meaningful learning. Fifth, medium of instruction. The medium of instruction should be mother tongue. It helps in better understanding and emotional connection between teachers and pupils. Sixth, role of teacher. According to Gandhi, teacher's role should be a role model, and the teachers should teach the values through their behavior, and teachers should guide students in both work and life. Seventh, curriculum. Curriculum should be activity based and work oriented, and it should be related to local environment, and the curriculum should also focus on village life and skills according to Gandhi, and it also must be integration of subjects, not separate teaching. Eighth, method of teaching. Method of teaching must always learning by doing, correlation method, linking the subjects with craft, experience-based learning and through practical approach. Ninth, discipline, self-control, self-discipline and moral values. No harsh punishment should be given. And emphasis should be on truth, satya and non-violence, ahimsa. So this figure shows overall discipline according to Gandhi. 10th, importance in today's education. Gandhi's ideas are still relevant to skill-based education, vocational training, earn while learning. So the concept should be in total earn while you learn. And National Education Policy in 2020 emphasis on experiential learning. 11th, criticism. Too much focus on manual work. Difficulty in modern urban education. Limited scope for higher scientific learning. Not fully implemented in India. These are the criticized points according to his philosophy. 12th, conclusion. Gandhi's educational philosophy teaches education should be practical and life-centered. Work should play an essential role of learning. Moral values are very important than marks. Education should make a person socially responsible person and self-dependent individual. Now it's quiz time, guys. Let's play. The first question: what is the core aim of Gandhian education? A. Intellectual development. B. Moral development. C. All-round development of body, mind and soul. D. Occasional training only. The time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the main core aim of Gandhian education is all-round development of body, mind and soul. Second question. Gandhi's system of education is known as A. Idealism. B. Naturalism. C. Basic education, which is called Talim. D. Pragmatism. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. His education is known as basic education, Talim. New education. Talim was introduced in which year, friends? A. 1935. B. 1937. C. 1942. D. 1947. Timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It was introduced in the year 1937. Fourth question. According to Gandhi, the medium of instruction should be A. English. B. Hindi. C. Mother tongue. D. Sanskrit. Here is the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The medium of instruction according to Gandhi should be mother tongue. Final question of today's session. Which of the following is the central element in Gandhian education? A. Book learning. B. Craft-centered education. C. Examination system. D. Memorization. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The central element of Gandhian education is craft-centered education. Okay friends, thanks for watching. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.